In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock apps on your Android phone so that whenever you tap to open any app on your phone, they will ask for a password. This is very important because it helps to stop people from unauthorized access into your phone, which is your privacy. So this method I want to show you is actually a built-in feature that is found on most Android phones, but the phone I'm using here is Techno. So how do you enable it? It's very simple. On your phone, go to settings and tap on settings. On settings, you can now look for security, then tap on security. If you tap on security, you can scroll down, you can see here app lock. But in some Android phones, this option is not found on security. Then you can go back to your settings. On settings, you can look for apps on your phone. Sometimes you can find it on app management, or you can see just apps. Tap on apps, you can find that option there, app lock. But if you can't find it on app or security, then you can come on the search here on your settings and then search for the option app lock, which is a built-in feature. If you type, you can see here app lock is found here, so just tap on it. You can see here app lock, just tap on it. If you tap on it, you see it brings me back to security, and the option here is app lock. So from here, tap on the app lock. If you tap on app lock, you can see here draw an unlock pattern. So I'll come here and draw a pattern, for instance. They say confirm the pattern. I'll confirm it. So on this page here, you can see here enter your middle name. This is very important. Maybe if in case you forgot your pattern, you can use that middle name to reset your pattern. So I'll come here and enter my own middle name. So I must make this middle name private, only known by you. So after that, come here and tap on this done. If you tap on done, it will process and then bring you to all your phone apps. Now here are all the apps on my phone. You can scroll down and then select or lock the apps you want to lock. For instance, I want to lock WhatsApp. I can scroll all the way down to WhatsApp and look for WhatsApp. You can see here WhatsApp. I'll tap on this lock icon here, means I've locked WhatsApp. Then for instance, I want to lock WeChat. I'll tap on this lock icon here and lock WeChat. For instance, I want to lock this very app here, YouTube. I'll tap on YouTube to lock it. For instance, I want to lock my Zenith Bank app. I'll tap on this lock here to lock it. So right now, if I go to the apps on my phone and tap on it, they will require for a pattern, a password, so that I can access the app. For instance, here's my YouTube. If I tap on it, you can see they will ask for a password first of all. So I can come here and then do my pattern and then unlock and go to my YouTube. You can see I can go back. Also, for instance, if I want to open my WhatsApp, it's my WhatsApp right here. You can see if I tap on it, they will ask for a pattern, which is my password. I can come here and draw my pattern and unlock my WhatsApp. Also, for instance, if I want to open my WeChat, for instance, my WeChat, yes, WeChat, if I tap on it, they will ask for a pattern, which is my password. This is very important for privacy reasons, so that in case you give someone your phone, nobody will have access to be entering into your apps like that unauthorized. You can put or enable the password on all the apps on your phone, or on some important apps that you find them too private for you. You see, so you can always remove it if you wish to, but for now it's very simple, and that's how you can actually lock or set or enable apps lock on your phone. Thanks for watching, and bye.